much for tuning in. Welcome back today. In this video, we are going to take down our fall decor. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit sad about it, but also a little bit excited because that means that we're gonna start getting ready for holiday and Christmas preparations, right? We're gonna start getting ready for all the things Christmas decor, and that is, gives me all the life. However, I am a little bit sad because my mantle for the fall design was just gorgeous, and it is probably one of my absolute favorite just spaces and moments in my house that, every time I see it, it gives me the life. It makes me so, so happy. But that's gotta come down today, and I'm ready for it because we gotta make room for all things holiday season. I've made myself a cup of coffee here, nice and simple. It's just black coffee with stevia, and I've got some heavy cream topped on there. So I'm gonna be sipping on this as we just take everything down. My goal is to just kind of get oh, by the way, so in the last video, you saw me paint and finish this, right? Vlogs, the last two vlogs was me tackling this beast of a hutch. But it came out absolutely gorgeous. I love it. But I also, over the last couple days, I did our second hutch as well. And you guys, this area now, I love it. I think now it's just more cohesive, and it actually makes me really excited for getting the Christmas stuff up. Oh, sorry, Kai. Hi, buddy. Hi, do you want to say hi to our friends? Let's see if I can move the camera down. Do you want to say hi to everybody? They're here, look. They're right there. Do you not see them? You don't see them? They're there, I promise. Okay, so anyhow, absolutely am loving how this space turned out here. I think it's just absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to get everything going. So, okay, enough talking, let's jump into it. My goal is to put all of our fall decor, I'm just going to set right here on this table, and then bring my bins out, and then just get everything put back away in a somewhat organized fashion. Now, what I'm probably gonna do this year, because I love that mantle so much, I'm probably gonna put the mantle all in one bin, just because it'll make it so much easier next year when I go to put it up, because I will definitely want to replicate what I've done there. Obviously, I guess I could watch the video, watch the fall decor video, because really it just, literally gives me all the life. I love it so much. So, okay, let's go ahead and get to it. So I've got the dish towels are in the washer right now. I'm just making myself a don't forget list. So I've got dish towels, and I'm also gonna put salt bowl because I'm letting it dry on the counter for now, and I don't wanna forget to get those in the bin. I've been putting all of this stuff right here. This is pretty much all the Halloween stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this over there as well.
slowly. I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. I think it's crazy.
Okay, here's where we're at. I've got my swags. There's 3 swags here. One of them is from the mantle. The other 2 are from the other side over there. I'm gonna leave these here just for a moment. There's a little bit of glitter on them, so I wanna keep them over here anyways. So much easier to vacuum glitter than it is to get it off of a hardwood floor. So I'm gonna leave those here for a minute. Oh, let me grab this. I'm gonna need this, and this can go in the other bin. But the mantle is cleared off. Obviously, I'm gonna have to go in. We're gonna have to do a little bit of cleaning for sure. Sofa table is also good. Again, we're gonna have to go in and do some cleaning and dusting, but that'll wait. We're gonna get everything else put away, and same goes for this table here. All the fall decor is gone. I am gonna keep these out because these will probably stay with the Christmas decor, and these are my napkin holders, so these will probably stay for Christmas stuff too. We'll see. I don't know what this is gonna look like just yet, so stay tuned for that. Videos for all the holiday, all the things coming soon. I do need to grab things like this and things like this one because these go with the fall decor. And I'm just gonna give everything a super quick wipe down like this. And then we got to get this closed up. That way it won't leak. All right. So on our porch, I'm actually going to keep everything as it is because it is so pretty. And these pumpkins look amazing still, but I am, and it's Thanksgiving coming up. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this decor as it is, but I am gonna bring these 3 things in and get these in there with all the other decorations. And this is what I'm working with. So everything is here. I'm probably, this bin, I actually decided I'm gonna go ahead and keep everything in here. These are all of my picks and sticks and sprays. All of that is in here, all my little individual flowers. And I think this is just a good place for all of this dried floral type things. So that just worked out perfect, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in this bin right here. So pretty much this bin is done. Everything else is just sitting here, and I'm gonna figure out now how to get everything organized into the rest of the bins that I have. These are the pumpkins that were on the stairs. This is mostly Halloween things, which we will go ahead and probably keep together. These are all of the leaves that I put just everywhere. You can see them down here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull all of that up too. Now, these are the one things I didn't care for this year. And one of the things when you're putting your stuff away, just make note of the things that worked, the things that didn't work, maybe things you wanna switch up. You can even write yourself a little note and stick it in your bins. But for the most part, I loved how everything came together this year. The only things I did not care for were these guys. So anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and I'm putting my head down and we're gonna get all of these bins organized. I'm gonna condense as much as I can into what I have here. And I'm hoping that I'm not gonna have to go and get any more bins because honestly, we're running out of space. All right, let's get to it. So it's usually at this point where I'm like, oh, Gotta put everything away, gotta do some cleaning, that I need some motivation. So.
Town of Hoover. The home of Hoover. Ask any Hoover, they'll have this to say, there is no place like Hoover around Christmas Day.
All right, we've got these two bins right here. We've also got this bin, and obviously this one's gonna be up top. Now, I do actually need another bin or a bag because I've got these right here. So I'm gonna figure out what I wanna do here for all of our garland, but I'm very excited about all of this too. I even got my dishes in here. So a lot of this stuff, like obviously this is mostly Halloween things. I always opt for clear bins just because you could see what the contents are. And this I know because I can see some of what's in here. Like I know that's fall and autumn, but I know that there's also some Halloween stuff in here. This one is almost all, well actually I think it is all Halloween. Nope, there's actually some fall stuff in here too because this right here, wrapped in all of this, are my plates and bowls, which I'm so happy I got it in here. And what I like to do is I like to just use some of the things that I have, like these shirts and socks I used as cushion for some of the things that are a little bit more fragile. I did the same thing here. So this is my bin of leaves. And you can see like I have the gnome in here. I've got these ceramic pumpkins in here. So anything breakable, I like to put in things that I'm already storing anyways. Just kind of as serving as double duty.
Here's the bag. So desensitized by movies and television. What do you want?
Mr. Grinch, I came to invite you to be holiday cheermeister.
I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, no. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, no. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, no. I think it's crazy. Think I'm slowly. I think I'm crazy. Well, no. I think it's crazy.
All right, guys, we are officially done. Everything put away, and I we'll get all of this into our garage. That is a project that is coming up soon, but for now, I'm actually, when I pull out all of our Christmas stuff, then I'm going to put all of this into the storage closet, but eventually we're gonna have to get our garage situated. And again, that's gonna be a project for another time, but it feels good that the fall decor is down. We are ready to go, so stay tuned because coming soon are all of our holiday videos. We're gonna decorate our tree, we're gonna decorate the mantle. I have tiered trays that we go all out with. It's all the feels. So thank you so much again for spending this time with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.